Hey Hobbles fans, it's Hobbles Lock 13. 3 years ago, I did a Volcano Escape playset or track set 3 years ago, and I forgot to do this video with the instructions. So, Aditya Gupta, if I missed this about 3 years ago, I apologize for my lack of responding and also making this video super late for 3 years right now. So, without further ado, get your reading glasses, everyone. It is required, but you don't have to. But we're just going through the instructions of the Volcano Escape playset. Sorry I'm filming this on this carpet, but these are the track instructions that you're going to need. You also have the stickers, and you also have 2 times the connecting pieces, especially the other pieces that are included, including with that Tigre car. You can also see that there's different sticker labels that are required to fit onto some parts and pieces of the track. So you got 2 double F's, an E, a piece, another piece, 2 times of this piece, not really sure. But you do got the pieces of QPFA, FELK, 2 times of the flaming pieces, the spinning, rotating arms, the G to the D with an E, the truck launch, the V2, or I should say V2 times. Then you got the LM, AB, BC, CD, S, JK, H, J, the Hobbles flame sign, PN, plus with a little ramp, and also a bank curve. Well, instead of calling it a bank curve, that would be the loop. So, according to the back view of this piece, it needs 4 AA batteries, and that will be the back F. This is the front F, okay? So you're gonna make sure you click these together, put the arms, then some other pieces. Don't forget the V. That's from steps 1 through 6. Gonna leave this for 5 seconds. And then we'll move on to the next. So for steps number 7 through 20, here's what you're going to do. On the back view, you're going to be connecting 2 of the flaming pieces on each side. Then you're going to be putting Q on the back of it. Then put the P in the P piece by clicking it on there. That's step 10. Then you're going to add the truck launch. Then for the diverter, you're going to have ML with an L with that multi-lane diverter, especially with the trap door. Then for 13, you're going to be adding some Pega steps, and then you're going to be attaching it underneath it. Now, for 15, you're going to put pieces that are connected to F and M, both sides. Then you're going to be adding a D and E flame track on the top of the flame so that I can connect to EE. Then you got a small flame piece with a DD, so that way you can hear a click. Then for 18, you're going to get another standing with the letter CC, and you should hear a click. So that way the arm could rotate it up, and then you're going to put BB and AA till you hear a click. And that is the 20 steps. Now there's more all the way to 25. So for 21, you're going to be adding G for a click on the arm, then to put H and J onto it, but make sure you place back the J, not the J, but the H onto that stand. Then you're gonna add the middle piece, the GG and the HH combined. Then you're gonna add the JJ on the connector, and then a KK next to that flame stopper. Then you're gonna be adding a loop by connecting onto the track and then onto the top of that Volcano piece. Then you'll be putting the Hot Wheels sign. And then you put NN for, I would say connect with more other Hot Wheels sets. So those are the 25 steps of putting the set together. And don't forget labeling the stickers for 9, 8, 10, 7, 6, 11, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3. And again, this is steps number 1 through 6, 7 through 20, and then 21 through 25. And with all that, that will be it. And now for the place it in action time. So you're going to turn on the button on the I. O is off. Then you're going to launch it. Plus switch the diverter. The car will go around, but watch out for that piece. If you land on that arm, you're out. But if you make correct timing for that lava piece to show up, it'll make you go through. And for all that, you might have seen that video in the last 3 years. But that concludes of the instructions of the Volcano Escape Playsetter track set, ages 5 through 8. And I hope you guys watched this very late 3-year video that I just did with the instructions. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new on the channel, please subscribe and check out other videos while you're on the channel. Hope everyone's summer is good, and I should see you in the next video for Hot Wheels Unleashed Turbocharger. There's an update. This is Hot Wheels Dr. Teen signing out, saying ciao for now.